Good afternoon. Here's your weekly mortgage rate update. Yeah, so Mortgage News Daily 30-year fixed average today is at 7.16% APR. That is down from last Friday, which it ended at 7.28% APR. Yeah, it was just kind of a steady march down to the 7.16% APR this week. There wasn't a whole lot of information economic-wise that came out this week. A couple things, I guess, that the market hung on was that the University of Michigan's consumer sentiment sentiment survey came in a lot lower than anticipated, which kind of shocked the markets a little bit. But inside that survey, they also talked about that consumers expect inflation to be at 3.5% in the next year, which is a lot higher than what even the Fed and those guys are predicting. So why does that matter? Right, it's just the psychology of what the consumers are doing and how they're anticipating prices in the future and their behaviors. So now that's a lot to hang on, but that's the only thing the market had to look at this week for data. Next week, however, May 15th, I believe that's Wednesday, comes the CPI, which is going to swing the markets one way or the other. That's going to be the big thing that happens next week. There's still some other information coming out, home sales numbers and such, but everybody has their eye on that CPI and figure out where inflation is and see if they can anticipate it. So, what's going on locally in the market? This for the month of April, right? The median home sales for all 9 areas was at 770,000. That is down less than 1% from a year ago, which is incredible if you think about rates hitting almost 8% earlier this year and late last year. And so I did text out that nationwide there is not a major metropolitan area that has a decline in prices right now. And month over month, the Gallatin area increased by $20,000, a little over $20,000. So all I can say is rate rebound, right? That's the program that CMG has right now. You can refinance for the next 5 years. And we just updated the program that you can refinance as many times as the borrower wants in those 5 years. It's not just one and done. They can go for the next 5 years, which is a great feature. So prices aren't going down. Interest rates, we'll see next week what happens with those. So don't wait. You're losing out on money. And CMG will help you with the refinance. So I'm here all weekend, being around the property. You can see the massive snow that we had on Wednesday. On my deck here in Bear Canyon had 15.5 inches in 24 hours, which was pretty exciting. And I'm glad everybody was safe that was stuck on the pass there. That was a little scary. So anyway, have a great weekend. Be glad to talk to clients, run numbers, do anything to get them off the fence, because I have a gut feeling they're going to be losing out on some money here pretty quick with prices going up and rates going down, and it's going to be another frenzy. So have a great weekend, be safe, and enjoy the great weather. Bye.